Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Roy Mercado Bailon from BSBA BE3B. My topic is all about advantages and disadvantages about competition policy. So, number one of advantages of competition policy is promotion of efficiency. Promotion of efficiency is competition policy encourage firms to operate efficiently to survive in competitive market. So this leads to lower costs, improved productivity, and allocation of resources to their most efficient uses, ultimately benefiting customer. So promotion and efficiency is so ang competition encourage siya sa business nga i-operate ilahang business efficiently. So when or if ang companies nag-compete, so mag-work sila together to lower cost, improve ilang productivity, and mag-use or magamit sila og resources nga ilang hunaon-hunaon og makakuan ba ni sa customers, like that. So for example is supermarkets. Di ba ang mga supermarkets nag-compete sila by kanang nag-offer sila og mga better prices og services nga maka-attract sa customers kay para balik-balikan sila. So number 2 is consumer welfare. So by promoting fair competition policy aims to protect consumers from anti-competitive practices such as price fixing and collusion, leading to lower prices, higher quality products, and greater choice. So consumer welfare is kanang ang fair competition nagprotect siya sa consumer sa mga unfair practices like kaparesan ng price fixing. So this means kanang mga lower prices, better quality products, and more choices. Like for example, if ang multiple internet providers are available, so they will offer better services and prices to attract users. So mao na siya. So number 3 is innovation and growth. Healthy competition fosters innovation as firms strive to differentiate themselves and gain a competitive edge. So this leads to technological advancement, new products, and improved services, driving economic growth and development. So si innovation and growth, so si competition, ginapush niya ang mga companies nga maghimo og mga new products and mga mag-innovate sila mga technologies. Like for example, di ba ang smartphone, like Apple, di ba? Ang iPhone naga taas-taas sila, like nana sila 14, 15, 16. So lead sila sa business or sa market kay sila innovate. So number 4 is level playing field. Competition policy helps create a level playing field by preventing monopolistic behavior and unfair practices. This could harm smaller competitors. This ensures that all firms have an equal opportunity to compete and succeed in the market. So level playing field is ang competition policies is nagaprevent siya og mga large companies nga maggamit sila og unfair tactics to dominate the market. So giallow niya ang mga small business to compete. So for example, rules may prevent a big company from lowering prices too much just to drive out smaller competition or competitors. So, disadvantage of competition policy. So, number 1 is regulatory burden. Overly complex or burdensome regulation associated with competition policy may impose costs on business, particularly in small and medium-sized enterprises or SMEs, leading to reduced competitiveness and innovation. So, regulatory burden is gina-follow sa competition laws or ang ilang gina-follow nga competition laws, di ba mahal na siya. So especially sa mga gamay nga mga business, so mahalan sila sa mga og ilahang ginasunod ang ang mga law or rules sa kuan market. So kinahanglan nila mga legal expertise nga ensure nga nagsunod sila or nag-comply sila sa mga rules. Like for example, ang small online store, nag-struggle siya to follow the complex regulation while nag-compete siya with large e-commerce platforms. So ikaduha, ang implementation challenges. Enforcing competition policy effectively can be challenging, especially in industries with complex market structures or global operations. Limited resources and enforcement capacity may hinder the ability to detect and address anti-competitive behavior. So implementation challenges is ensure nila ang fair competition. So ang fair competition jud is grabe siya kalisod, especially sa mga industry nga complicated ang operations like tech companies or international trade. So ang authority niya dili siya not always have the resources to monitor and stop anti-competitive behavior effectively. So number 3 is unattended consequences. So competition policy interventions may have unattended consequences such as market distortion or unattended barriers to entry. So careful analysis and consideration of potential impact are necessary to avoid unintended outcomes. So unattended consequence, so sometimes ang rules nga gina-design to promote competition kan makahimo siya og problems such as making it harder for new businesses to enter the market. Like for example, strict regulation might increase operational costs or discouraging startups. So business impact of competition in economics. So competition distorts several aspects of a business. This includes barrier entry of a business. So for more competitive industries, the barrier to entry is relatively low. Many competitors can enter the marketplace and afford to do business. So market entry is, so in highly competitive industry, sayon siya for sa mga new businesses to enter because there are fewer restrictions. Like for example, anyone can start an online store, but competing with established brands may be tough. So lisod siya pag mag-compete na siya mga kanang mga company like that. So ikaduha, ang price setting. So in competitive industry, a business must always be conscious of its pricing when placed next to comparable companies. So price setting is, or price strategy, so si business kinahanglan siya mag-set og competitive prices para maka-attract og mga customers. Like for example, ang fast food chains, di ba, constantly adjust prices and nag-offer sila mga discount to stay ahead of rivals or mga ka-competitors niya. So, more tawang report guys. Thank you.